Hi, good evening. My name is Rishi and I'm heading the mobile audio division at Sony Middle East and Africa. Thank you TechX for having me here. Okay, let me first start with our existing product, that is WF-1000X Mark III. As I'm speaking, this product is already number one in terms of noise cancellation. And let me introduce the new product now, that is WF-1000X Mark IV. As you can see, this one is 40% smaller than the existing one. And when it comes to noise cancellation, 40% better. You can imagine this is 40% better than the product which is already a leader in noise cancellation. Apart from the noise cancellation, this product has a slew of features. Let me start with the noise cancellation itself. Thanks to the V1 chipset and 6mm drivers, we could able to attain this kind of a noise cancellation levels. And what is adding more value to it is the foam-based ear tips. And it's a new material, we are not using the silicone one. This new material actually seals your ear canal, and we are calling it noise isolation, which is further enhancing the noise cancellation levels. Coming to the point number 2, this product is having a superior sound output. Why I'm saying so? As this one is having a DSEE Extreme. It is a digital engine enhancement which further increasing the sound output levels. Plus this model is high res ready. There are very few models having a high res compatibility. Now coming to the third part, that is IoT. We call it IoT, we call it smart features, or we call it artificial intelligence. So this product is having two very essential smart features. One is speak to chat, second one is adaptive sound control. Coming to the speak to chat first, as the name suggests, just speak if you want to chat. So if I am, say, immersed in my own music and suddenly you approaches me and say, hey Rishi, how are you? I say, hey, hi TechX, then the music will automatically stop. And it will start after a while once our conversation is over. So you need not to do those exercises of switching on and off, which is actually this feature is already available in our WH-1000X Mark IV series. This is one key feature, first time we are introducing in the truly wireless segment. Coming to the next one, that is adaptive sound control. This product automatically understands your location. So if you are moving from one location to another, it automatically adjusted the levels. Say for example, you are at the airport, what you need more is more of an ambient sound. So because of the announcements and all. While you are at home, you want to be more immersed into music. So it automatically changes all the settings to your environment, according to your environment. Coming to the key essential features, this one is having a wireless charging, an LDAC feature for again superior sound output, and then in terms of battery life, this is 8 plus 16, so total 24 hours of battery life, and a superior calling quality. So this one is kind of a feature packed product from Sony. With this product, we are trying to target the mid to premium segment of the overall business segment, and this product will be priced at 1199 AED in UAE and will be available by end of this month. And in Saudi and other GCC countries, Saudi it's already available in the market. In GCC countries like Qatar, Kuwait, Oman and Bahrain, it will be available by middle of September.